Hello and welcome. This is Christine from Create and Stamp, and I'm here with card number 1 from my Be Merry 365 class in September, and I'm using the Peaceful Place suite product from this suite. I'm going to use the stamp set, some of the dies. I'm going to use the sequins, the embossing folder. We are going to use the ribbon, which for this presentation I don't have it yet, and we're going to use the beautiful DSP. It's really nice. It does the job on its own. So here we go. The card is very simple. This is what it looks like. I'm going to make just a small modification for you. And so here we go. This is my kit. Let's put this aside. And there are all kinds of little pieces in there, so be careful. And then we're going to start right away. Just fold your card over and use your bone folder to reinforce the crease. Okay. Then next step will be we're going to adhere this piece of DSP, that's the back, to the black, basic black DSP, and then put everything onto the front. Like I said, the card is quick and easy. So here we go. And then just attach these 2 layers onto your card front. All right. So now I want to do some stamping, and that's the one modification I've made. In my card here, I stamped and then die cut the 2 wolves using the cabin dies. It's a very small die, but I believe it's just as easy to just stamp them on here, as long as you're careful and stamp them straight. And don't get any halo in there. So I'm just gonna put them here, and the other one here, and I think I'll put a 3rd one up here, so they come in a pack. Okay, so that's for the wolves. I like that actually better than the die cut pieces. For our words, what we need. So you see what I did here is I cut that off. So you want to stamp your words at this end, and then just cut the angle. All right. So I'm using the words from this stamp set. Obviously, you can use whatever words you would like. And I'm having issues with this stamp. It doesn't seem to be cut, it doesn't seem to stamp straight, even if I go down straight and I have it so yeah, see, it seems to lean that way, but there is nothing I seem to be able to do to fix that. Now we also have words for the inside. Before I do that, I want to put the black piece of cardstock just on one side. And then this is a really nice saying. I really like it. So the card is not necessarily meant a Christmas card, but it could be. And our stamping job is done. Now I'm gonna stick this into the inside of my card. And now let's do the front. So what happens with the front, so you have a little piece of DSP that just peeks out underneath. So I'm gonna put that on, and then I'm gonna cut it like that. Okay, so I will just put from here just like really just a very thin line of adhesive, and just to make sure it doesn't go on my work surface, I'm gonna put this down, and then I'm gonna place that right here, just to make sure when it's gonna bleed out on the back a bit. See, it's good. And now I will trim this off just like that. Okay. Now it will go here. So I'm gonna just trim the back off as well, like here. Just allow yourself enough space to put your ribbon down. So the ribbon is a bit too long for my card, but it doesn't matter. Actually, I'm gonna put it this way. So I'm using the Snowflake Splendor iridescent ribbon for this presentation because I do not have the glittery one yet. So you can go either this way, or you can also cut it in half. Actually, I should use my my scissors, my fabric scissors. So you could also go like this and stick this on, and then when it's all done, we're gonna put the little bow on. So there's a bow. You have a 12-inch piece of twine in your bag, so cut it in half and make yourself a bow. So this will go here. I'm going to use glue dots to adhere that. Oops. I'm gonna do that before I glue this down or stick this down because I want to make sure everything works with the height. Okay, then I'm gonna use another glue dot. Come on. Okay, and then I will use another glue dot to put this little bow on, which seems to be just a tad too large. So I'm going to put that on. And this again, I'm just going to roll it. So I'm going to roll the glue dot and then set the center of my bow on there, and then go like this. Okay, so now this is perfect, and now I'm gonna adhere 3 dimensionals, middle and the side and at this end. You know me, I don't skimp on dimensionals because I want to have everything adhered really well. Don't want anything to sag or fall off. Let's get the garbage off here. We do have to trim this off a little bit. So here we go. I'm lining it up right on the end of the DSP. And I think I'm good. And so now I'm gonna cut that off a bit, and this, and this can go a little shorter as well. You can do what you want, obviously. Leave it or do whatever you like. It's not a problem. It's not a contest or whatever. But this is your card. That's the outside and that's the inside. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon with the next one. Bye-bye.